How to update the Snapchat app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest version of Snapchat on your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up our respective app store, either the App Store on your iPhone or the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Once your app store is open, go ahead and select Search in the menu and then just search Snapchat. Once Snapchat comes up, go ahead and select it. And where mine says open, if there is an update available, that will show update. So go ahead and select update. Once you do that, it'll download and install the latest version of Snapchat available to your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. Now, if after doing that, you still don't have the latest Snapchat features or the latest version of Snapchat, what I recommend doing is uninstalling the Snapchat app and then reinstalling it. And to do that on an iPhone, simply long press the Snapchat app, select remove app, and then delete app. Confirm you want to delete this app. And on an Android phone, all we need to do is long press the Snapchat app, then drag it up to the top right to uninstall, and then just confirm you want to uninstall by selecting OK. Now that we've deleted the Snapchat app, all we have to do to reinstall it is open up our respective app store, search Snapchat, and then when you go back to it, you should see Git or a cloud icon, which means you've already had it installed. Select that and it'll reinstall Snapchat, and this time it'll be the latest version of the app available. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.